Are you sometimes confused by the catchphrases on the labels of cookware you might want to buy? Things like, wow, it lasts 1,000 times longer. Or, magic, it will turn you into a Michelin star chef. Or, cool, it cleans itself. No, you're smarter than that. The one thing that really makes the difference is the non-stick coating. And no, not those made of toxic chemicals that make our Mother Nature sick. And poison little Jackie, your beloved Australian parakeet. Yep. Do you want to be 100% sure that you and your bird have a long and beautiful life ahead? Well, then go for a healthy ceramic non-stick coating from GreenPan. It performs great, it doesn't stick, and is made from natural materials like sand. Still alive! So, no chemical substances and no toxic fumes if your pan accidentally gets overheated because you're watching the season's finale of Neighbours again. Oh, not again. Do you really want to cook healthy? Start with healthy cookware. Make the switch. Choose GreenPan.